First name.
Number 1, fresh matter, serial number 1, R. Hemant Raj for petitioner.
Yes.
Lordships, voice is not audible, your lordships. Court voice is not coming.
My lord, court mic is muted, my lord.
Lordships, kindly, voice is not coming, your lordships.
Lord, the next matter, I submit, my lord, serial number 2. But at
Your
serial
lordships,
number 2, my lord, I sought for writ of mandamus, directing the respondent to consider the representation for appointment on compassion.
Lordships, court voice is not coming after it's been live streaming. That's the reason. There's some technical issue, your lordships. No sound is coming from the court, your lordships.
Please, my lord. This is, my lord, serial number 2. I sought for mandamus.
Sir, ಸಾಹೇಬರು ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿರೋ ಸಾಹೇಬರು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯೋ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್
ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. The court voice is not coming up.
ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ.
ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್, ಆಡಿಯೋ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Lord, in this case, my lord, I am appearing for the petitioner, my lord. On the last occasion, the matter was heard. Lord, the court audio and video, my lord, are not available, my lord. Court audio is not available, my lord. Court officer.
After live streaming is started, court voice and audio is not coming.
ಇಲ್ಲ ವಿಜಯ್ ಕುಮಾರ್, ಇದಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Technical problem.
Court officer. ನಾಗರಾಜ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ನಾಗರಾಜಪ್ಪ ಅವ್ರು ನಿಮ್ದು ಎರಡನೇದ್ದ?
ಅದೇ ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಂತೋಯ್ತು.
ನಮ್ದು ಮುಗ್ದೋಯ್ತು.
ಸರ್ ಏನ್ ಇನ್ನು ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ? ಸರ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಸರ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಇನ್ನು ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಹೌದೌದು.
ನಮ್ 32 ಇದೆ ಸರ್. ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರೊಕ್ಕ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ
ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಅದ್ರ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದ್ರ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದ್ರ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಹೆಸರು.
ಅದೇ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್
ಹಲೋ, ಬಂದೆ, ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ, ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ.
Sir is directed to serve one set of copy on government website. Current notice to respondent number 1, 2, 6. Yes.
Serial number 5, Prithvi Vadiyar for petitioner.
I appear for petitioner, your lordships.
Yes.
Now it's
Yes.
now it's audible, your lordships.
ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತಪ್ಪ?
The court was not hosting.
ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು?
ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತರೆಗೂ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ
ಯಾರು
ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇರಲ್ವಾ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಮತ್ತೆ 10 ನಿಮಿಷ ಆಯ್ತು ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಬ್ರು ವಿಷಯ ಮಾಡ. ಎಸ್,
I appear for petitioner, your lordships.
ಎಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್.
The survey number bearing 129, 4 acres 33 guntas was granted in favor of an Obalappa in the by the land tribunal in the year 1981, your lordships.
Yes.
Thereafter, in the year 1982, Form 10 was issued.
Yes.
The rival claimant, the tenant, challenged the said order, approached this honorable court in writ petition, and this this honorable court on 15/2/2001 dismissed the order passed by quashed the order, set aside the order passed by land tribunal and remanded back to the tribunal for fresh consideration. Yes. Thereafter, your lordships, on 14/7/2010, the land tribunal confirmed the occupancy rights in favor of Obalappa itself. Yes. The said Obalappa filed application for conversion of land of 1 acre 29 guntas in the year on 12/9/2017. 12/9/2017.
Yes.
The conversion order was the petitioner herein is presently working as SLAO, Special Land Acquisition Officer 1, and at that point of time, as on 2017, he was working as Tashildar. Your lordships, kindly turn to page 55, Annexure D. The Tashildar, the then Tashildar, the present petitioner herein, forwarded a report after obtaining the report from the village accountant and the special Tashildar.
Yes.
He forwards a report to the deputy commissioner. Your lordship will get at page 55, Annexure D.
Yes.
The first paragraph, your lordship, first and last paragraph, may permitted to read, your lordship.
Yes, yes.
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಪೂರ್ವ ತಾಲೂಕು KR ಪುರ ಹೋಬಳಿ ಕೋದನಹಳ್ಳಿ ಗ್ರಾಮದ ಸರ್ವೆ ನಂಬರ್ so and so ಪೈಕಿ ಜಮೀನಿನ ವಾಸದ ಉದ್ದೇಶಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಭೂ ಪರಿವರ್ತನೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡಲು ಕೋರಿರುವ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಉಲ್ಲೇಖ 1ರ ಪತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರಮ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ 1ರಿಂದ 16ರವರೆಗಿನ ದಾಖಲೆಗಳೊಂದಿಗೆ ವರದಿ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಲು ಸೂಚಿಸಿರುವ ಮೇರೆಗೆ ಉಪ ತಹಶೀಲ್ದಾರ್ ಮತ್ತು ರಾಜಸ್ವ ನಿರೀಕ್ಷಕರು ಮಹಾಜರ್ನೊಂದಿಗೆ ಉಲ್ಲೇಖ 2 ಮತ್ತು 3ರಂತೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿರುವ ವರದಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಕಡತದಲ್ಲಿ ಲಗತ್ತಿಸಿರುವ ದಾಖಲೆಗಳಂತೆ ಕೌದೇನಹಳ್ಳಿ ಗ್ರಾಮವು ಜೋಡಿ ಇನಾಂ ಗ್ರಾಮವಾಗಿದ್ದು, ಕೌದೇನಹಳ್ಳಿ ಗ್ರಾಮದ ಸರ್ವೆ ನಂಬರ್ 104ರಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಎಕರೆ 16 ಗುಂಟೆ ಪೈಕಿ 1 ಎಕರೆ 29 ಗುಂಟೆ ಜಮೀನು ಅರ್ಜಿದಾರರಿಗೆ ಭೂ ಸುಧಾರಣೆ ಕಾಯ್ದೆಯಡಿ ಮಂಜೂರಾಗಿದ್ದು, ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋರಂತೆ ಅರ್ಜಿದಾರರ ಹೆಸರಿಗೆ ಖಾತೆಯಾಗಿದ್ದು ಪಹಣಿ ಮಾಡಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಸದರಿ ಭೂ ಪರಿವರ್ತನೆ ಕೋರಿರುವ ಜಮೀನಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ಈ ಕೆಳಕಂಡ ದಾಖಲೆಗಳನ್ನು ಲಗತ್ತಿಸಿದೆ. Now your lordships kindly turn to next page, last paragraph. ಮೇಲ್ಕಂಡ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಂಶಗಳಂತೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಅರ್ಜಿದಾರರು ಕೋರಿರುವಂತೆ ಕೆಆರ್ಪುರ ಹೋಬಳಿ ಮುದೇನಹಳ್ಳಿ ಗ್ರಾಮದ ಸರ್ವೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಸೊ ವಿಸ್ತೀರ್ಣದ ಜಮೀನು ವಸತಿ ಉದ್ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಮೀಸಲಾಗಿದೆಯೇ, ಹಳದಿ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿದೆಯೇ, ಹಸಿರು ವಲಯದ ಜಮೀನೆ, ಭೂ ಸ್ವಾಧೀನದ ಜಮೀನೆ ಎಂಬುದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದ ಇಲಾಖೆಗಳಿಂದ ನಿರೀಕ್ಷೇಪಣಾ ಪತ್ರ ಪಡೆದ ನಂತರ ನಿಯಮಾನುಸಾರ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಭೂ ಕಂದಾಯ ಕಾಯ್ದೆ ಸೊ ಅಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸದ ಉದ್ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಭೂ ಪರಿವರ್ತನೆ ಮಾಡುವ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಶಿಫಾರಸು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಪೂರ್ಣ ಕಡತದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಮೇಲ್ಕಂಡ ಅಂಶಗಳನ್ನು ತಮ್ಮ ಅವಗಾಹನೆಗೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿದೆ. This is the report. This is the only report submitted by the petitioner here. Thereafter, the deputy commissioner passed a conversion order on 16/11/2017 with annexure E, your lordship.
16/11/2017. Yes.
Application was filed on 12/9/2017. The report sent by the present Tahsildar is on 10/10/2017, and that deputy commissioner passes an order of conversion by annexure E on 16/11/2017.
Yes.
Thereafter, on 28/12/2017, at page annexure F, page 61, the special Tahsildar 61, your lordship, issues an endorsement stating that NOC is not required since already form number 10 is issued in favor of the occupancy. The NOC is not required and alienation can be granted. This is the endorsement issued by special Tahsildar. Thereafter, on 1/2/2020, annexure G, your lordship, a third person who is not connected to the property in question, claiming to be a public interest litigant or something, he files a complaint before the ACP on 1/2/2020. The prayer, your lordships, will get at 64. The allegations and prayer at page 64, second paragraph. Also the reports and files, your lordships. Also, the reports and files were manipulated and fabricated to conceal the facts. 64, your lordship. 64. At after some second paragraph from the top.
Yes.
Also, the reports and files were manipulated and fabricated to conceal the facts. The revenue inspector, while recommending for conversion of the land, in his report dated so misstated the facts and enclosed wrong documents. The report says that land was re-granted to the owners. Enclosed the re-grant order in favor of K.T. Ramaya Shetty when revenue records stood in the name of Sri Obalappa. This is factually incorrect. The report says that he has enclosed form number 8, which is issued to landlords when he re-granted, but enclosed form 10 issue in favor of tenant Sri Obalappa in terms of the orders of the land tribunal, which have been set aside by the High Court. The revenue inspector's report is completely silent on the date of orders of the land tribunal, which finally conferred the occupancy rights of Sri Obalappa to avoid violations being noticed.
Yes.
Therefore, the entire allegations is on village accountant.
Yes.
And he claims that the Obalappa has forged the documents, or the village accountant colluding with Obalappa has got converted this land, and he files this complaint on behalf, he claims to be filing this complaint on behalf of K.T. Ramaya Shetty, who has not filed complaint, as who has not challenged conversion order till today. The prayer, your lordship, next paragraph. Therefore, I pray upon your good self to initiate proceedings under the relevant laws against the following persons: landowners, Obalappa and others, and the aforesaid Vaishnavi builders, revenue inspector, revenue officer, Tahsildar and deputy commissioner then. Revenue officials in BBMP who had confirmed the correctness of the titles and recommended for approval of the building plan. In this case, I would request you to take the following course. So and so he requests the deputy commissioner ACP to file complaint and all those things. After subsequent to conversion order, your lordship, the Obalappa has entered into a joint development agreement with one developer.
Yes.
And they have obtained permission from the BBMP. They have constructed the apartments and they have sold the apartments. Pursuant to this complaint, your lordships, the deputy commissioner issues and sanction or passes and sanction order in respect of village accountant with annexure H, your lordship. Page 66.
Yes.
Your lordships, in that page 66, kindly refer to reference Ulleka at page 66.
Yes, ಮೇಲೆ so and so. What has happened after that?
No, the reference, your lordship, that is important because the reference is made to the letter written by the ACB dated 22/5/2020.
Yes.
Ullekadalli.
Yes.
22/5/2020. Thereafter, sanction was accorded on 17/7/2020. Subsequent to that, the FIR came to be registered as against the village accountant, the landowner Robalappa, and the developer.
Yes.
Annexure K, page 71, your lordship, the FIR. Your lordships will get.
Yes.
Thereafter, those three persons approach this honorable court, annexure L. The landowner as well as the builders, they filed criminal petition 73/73 of 2020, and this village accountant has filed writ petition, the writ petition challenging the sanction order as well as seeking for quashing of the FIR. This honorable court, by the order dated 8/3/2021, has set aside the sanction order as well as quashed the FIR.
Where is that?
Page, it starts from page 75, annexure L. The relevant page is 82, paragraph 8.
75 is in respect of that this thing, builder and as well as that owner of the land.
Next, 76, your lordship, writ petition, bottom, 76. Writ petition, Chandrasekhar, village accountant.
Chandrasekhar is the village accountant.
Village accountant.
Yes.
Here, village accountant files a writ petition challenging the sanction order as well as FIR.
Yes.
Gobalappa, the landowner and the developers, files a criminal petition challenging the FIR.
Yes.
This honorable set aside the sanction order as well as the FIR, quashed the FIR. Your lordship, kindly turn to paragraph 8 of the order. The reasons assigned by this honorable court.
Yes.
Page 82.
Yes.
Having heard the arguments of the respective counsel and also on perusal of the records, first of all, the complaint given by the complainant. Your lordship's got it.
Yes.
On 1/2/2020 is against the allegation of re-granted land, converted land measuring to an extent so and so. First of all, he is unconnected to the land. And when he is not having any locus to file such a complaint, either he is not a owner or having any right in respect of the property.
Mr. Prithvi,
your lordships.
at that time, what was he? Your client?
My client was Tahsildar.
Your client was Tahsildar.
At that point of time.
No, he is the one who has recommended for this thing.
No, based on village accountant report, at 95 conversion order will be done